So let's take a look at adding a testimonial. So here we'll see that there is a testimonial. It says from our customers. And right now we only have one testimonial in this section. So I'm going to add one or two others so that you can see what the process is. Let's go back to the dashboard. And you'll see here right on the dashboard, there's an Add Testimonials button. So we can add a testimonial. So we'll give it a title. So you'll see that we give you some fields here to enter in, and we automatically take care of the formatting. In here, you can add really as much or as little text as you would like. You don't have to worry about the formatting. We take care of all that. And when I say formatting, what I mean is what typeface is it here? Is this italic? Is it not? We determine all of that for you so that you don't have to worry about your site looking visually inconsistent. We've created ways to make it so that it remains consistent over time and allows you to manage testimonials and photos and that sort of thing. So I gave it a title. Now this title doesn't show up on the actual web page itself. It's used for administrative purposes. It does a couple of things. One is it gives it a URL, which is the link that if you were to look at this testimonial individually, this is the page that it would be on. The other thing it does is when you look at your list of testimonials, you need to know what testimonial is it that you're dealing with. And we'll go back and look at that in a second. So I'm going to go and publish this. And you will see that it'll show up on the home page. Now in this case, what we've done is we've randomized the photos, which means the website will go and look randomly for whichever testimonials it wants to grab. So if I reload it, it may show up with the exact same testimonial if I have, but it may show up with the second one. So let's go take a look at that. Okay, so we are seeing it's the same one. I'm going to reload it again, and you'll see that it's now gone to mine. So when I added in my name, my company, and my town and state, all that information shows up together. So I added all that information here. It shows up here. You don't have to worry about any of the formatting. We've taken care of that for you. The other thing that it does is it puts all of your testimonials together on one page. So if I go here and view all testimonials, you'll see that my testimonials, and you'll see that I have 3 of them, is all located on one page. So if somebody comes to your website and they want to see all your testimonials in one spot, it is here. So let's go and take a look at the testimonials that I have on the website. I have 2 of them that are basically repeats. So I clicked this button here, which is all testimonials. And what I want to keep is let's see, I want to keep the David's testimonial. That's the one I just added. So I can see here, okay, that's the one. And this is the other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trash it. So what I'm going to do is I'm trashing this testimonial. I'm doing this so that you can see how you can edit your testimonials and see them all together. This is why you need to name them in a way that will help you remember what it is. So as I hover over it, you'll see some options. I can either edit it, I can trash it, or I can view it. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to trash this testimonial. So I've clicked trash, and it says, okay, I've moved it to the trash. And you'll see up here that there are 4 trash testimonials. And we can empty the trash if we want, but for now, let's just move it to the trash. So it tells me, okay, the item is moved to the trash. You can undo it if you like, but in this case, we're going to leave it in the trash. So if I go back here and reload the page, you'll see that that testimonial is now gone. So it's really very easy to add and manage your testimonials. You can either access it by the dashboard by adding a testimonial, or you can come here to the testimonials link. You can just click right here. This will bring you to the testimonials, and you can see a list view of your testimonials, and you can either add a new testimonial, you can click it here, you can click it here, but it's pretty easy to access, or you can view all your testimonials like we're doing here.